students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English, grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics or science, which will help you to understand or learn more. Today we will see a video related to science subject. In that, today's topic is NCERT Solution for Class 7 Science, Chapter 18, Wastewater Story. Before starting with the exercise of the chapter, let's do the summary. Used water is wastewater. Wastewater could be reused. Wastewater is generated in homes, industries, agriculture fields, and in other human activities. This is called sewage. Sewage is a liquid waste which causes water and soil pollution. Wastewater is treated in a sewage treatment plant. We should not defect it in the open. It is possible to have safe disposal of excreta by low-cost methods. Treatment plants reduce pollutant in wastewater to level where nature can take care of it. Where underground sewage system and refuse disposal systems are not available, the low-cost on-site sanitation system can be adopted. Byproducts of wastewater treatment are sewage and biogas. Open drain system is a breeding place for flying mosquitoes and organisms which cause diseases. Now let's see the exercise of the chapter. First question is fill in the blanks. Cleaning of water is a process of removing pollutant. Wastewater released by houses is called sewage. Dried is used as a manure sewage. Drains get blocked by and cooking oil fats. Question second is what is sewage? Explain why it is harmful to discharge untreated sewage into rivers or sea. For example, let's see the answer. Sewage is wastewater released from homes, industries, hospital, offices and other users. It also includes rainwater that can run down the streets during a storm or heavy rain. The water that washes off roads and rooftops carries harmful substances with it. Sewage is liquid waste. Mostly sewage contains water which has dissolved and suspended impurities which are called contaminants. That is why it is harmful to discharge untreated sewage into rivers or sea. The next is why should oils and fats be not released in the drain? Explain. So the answer is oils and fats should not be released in drains because they can harden and block the pipes. In an open drain, the fats clog the soil pores, reducing its effectiveness in filtering water. The next question is describe the steps involved in getting clarified water from wastewater. So there are following steps. Firstly, wastewater is passed through bar screens. Large objects like rags, sticks, cans, plastic packets, napkins are removed. Water then goes to the grit and sand removal tank. The speed of the incoming wastewater is decreased to allow sand, grit and pebbles to settle down. The water is then allowed to settle in a large tank which is sloped towards the middle. Solids like feces settles at the bottom and are removed with a scraper. This is the sewage. A skimmer removes the floatable solids like oil and grease. Water so cleared in what is called clarified water. The sewage is transferred to a separate tank where it is decomposed by the anaerobic bacteria. The biogas produced in the process can be used as a fuel or can be used to produce electricity. The next step is air is pumped into the clarified water to help aerobic bacteria to grow. Bacteria consume human waste, food waste, soaps, and other unwanted matters still remaining in clarified water. After several hours, the suspended microwaves settled at the bottom of the tank as activated sludge. The water is then removed from the top. The activated sludge is about 97% water. The water is removed by sand, drying beds, or machines. Dried sludge is used as a manure, returning organic matter and nutrients to the soil. The treated water has a very low level of organic material and suspended matter. It is discharged into the sea, a river, or into ground. Nature cleans it up further. Sometimes it may be necessary to disinfect water with chemicals like chlorine and ozone before releasing it into distribution system. The next question is, what is sewage? Explain how it is treated. So the answer is, solids like fuses settle at the bottom and removed with a scraper. This is the sewage. A skimmer removes the potable solids like oil and grease. Water so cleared is called clarified water. The sludge is transferred to a separate tank where it is decomposed by the anaerobic bacteria. The biogas produced in the process can be used as a fuel or can be used to produce electricity. Air is pumped into the clarified water to help aerobic bacteria to grow. Bacteria consume human waste, food waste, soaps, and other unwanted matter still remaining in clarified water. After several hours, the suspended microwaves settle at the bottom of the tank as activated sludge. The water is then removed from the top. The activated sludge is about 97% water. The water is removed by sand, drying beds, or machines. Dried sludge is used as a manure, returning organic matter and nutrients to the soil. The next question is, untreated human excreta is a health hazard. Explain. Untreated human excreta is a health hazard. It may cause water pollution and soil pollution. Both the surface water and underground groundwater get polluted. Groundwater is a source of water for wells, tube wells, springs, and many rivers. Thus, it becomes the most common route for waterborne diseases. They include cholera, typhoid, polio, hepatitis, and dysentery. Next question is, name two chemicals used to disinfect water. The answer is ozone and chlorine. The next question is, explain the function of bar screens in a wastewater treatment plant. So the wastewater is passed through bar screens for removal of large objects such as rags, sticks, cans, plastic packets, napkins, etc. The next question, explain the relationship between sanitation and disease. Sanitation and disease are related to each other. Sanitation involves proper disposal of sewage released from house and public places. If sanitation is there, no disease will occur. But if sanitation is not there, various types of diseases will occur and spread. Therefore, sanitation is necessary to avoid disease. The next question is, outline your role as an active citizen in relation to sanitation. We all have a role to play in keeping our environment clean and healthy. We must realize our responsibilities in maintaining the water sources in a healthy state. Through good sanitization practices, we keep our environment clean and healthy. We should make people aware about the benefits of sanitization and help municipal corporation to cover all the open drains and remove disease causing substances thrown in open. The next question is a crossword puzzle. The questions are, liquid waste products, solid waste excreta in sewage system treatment, a word related to hygiene, waste matter discharged from human body. And in the downward, the options are used water, a pipe carrying sewage, microorganisms which cause cholera, a chemical to disinfect water. So these are the answers of the crossword. The next question is, study the following statements about ozone. It is essential for breathing of living organism. It is used to disinfect water. It absorbs ultraviolet rays. Its proportion is in air is about 3%. We have to state which statements are correct. So the correct statement is B and C. It is used to disinfect water. It absorbs ultraviolet rays. So this was the solution of NCERT textbook of science chapter 18 of standard 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.